This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make French toast tutorial, full guide. Start by collecting ingredients and setting up a shallow bowl for the batter, a plate for soaked slices, and a warm skillet. Use stale bread for best texture and a fork to whisk eggs with milk, vanilla, and a pinch of salt. Keep heat medium so edges crisp, while centers stay tender and cook evenly. Whisk eggs, milk, vanilla, and a touch of sugar until smooth and slightly frothy to make a rich batter. Dip each slice for about 20 to 30 seconds per side, so the center absorbs without collapsing, then let excess drip back into the bowl. Preheat your skillet over medium heat and melt butter or oil to form a foamy surface. Cook slices until golden brown and flip gently to finish both sides evenly. Keep your pan warm and buttered, cooking each soaked slice for about 2 to 3 minutes per side until golden brown and slightly crisp at the edges. Transfer finished toast to a low oven rack to stay warm if making multiple batches. Serve hot with maple syrup, fresh berries, a sprinkle of powdered sugar, or a dollop of whipped cream for a comforting finish that's easy to customize for breakfast or brunch guests.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.